Discover the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63, a luxury SUV that reimagines the standards of comfort and performance. This vehicle is a part of the Nissan Patrol lineup. This comprehensive analysis includes all you need to know about the 2025 Nissan Patrol, from the streamlined redesign to the potent powertrain. Discover more about the 2025 Nissan Patrol Royale, the most luxurious version of the Patrol, as well as the 2025 Nissan Patrol Nismo, the more athletic variety of the Patrol. Discover the interior of the 2025 Nissan Patrol, which is brimming with cutting-edge features and materials of the highest quality. Fashioning. As of this point, the Patrol ought to have a recognizable appearance. Take into consideration that the current generation has been around since the year 2010. In 2019, the SUV underwent a significant facelift that removed a few years from its age, and we believe that it was successful. If one were to only look at the front end, they might get the impression that it is a brand new model. The alterations made to the back are just as significant as those made to the front. We are pleased with the recently updated appearance of the tail lights, and we are grateful to Nissan for the efforts it made to modify the stamping on the tailgate. It is not easy to give a model that is well over a decade old a makeover in order to make it look current, but Nissan did an excellent job of making it look cohesive with the rest of the body. The interior. This is one of the moments where we are grateful that we are not a market that is driven by the right hand. We would still be using the same dashboard from 2010, replete with its 8-bit multi-information display, if we were in Australia. In its place, our market will receive the revised center stack that has a more streamlined appearance. Despite the fact that the flanks of the center stack have not changed from their previous appearance, the centerpiece appears to be significantly more streamlined and ergonomic than it did before. We are grateful that Nissan did not follow the trend of cramming every function into the cockpit's information and entertainment screen.